Are we on? Are we on? Ode, mi amigo. Polkadot. What can I say? What can I say, bro? Uh, aye, well, anyway, here it is. Here it is. I'm sure I've done this before. I'm sure you asked me before about Polkadot. Anyway, yeah, weekly. This is the weekly. You can see it's based right off the absolute last line in the sand of support, which started way back in the very depths of the last cycle, September 2020 area. So one thing it has got, which I'll say to you now, is a second drive of a regular bullish divergence on the weekly time frame. So that could be quite good. But price action needs to follow through, and you see this a lot with these what looks like a fucking amazing setup. But unless people are interested in buying it again, then it ain't going nowhere. And I don't know. I think a lot of projects from this last cycle are they're just not going to go anywhere. So I don't know where you're in it. I don't know if you're underwater or break even, but yes, it's got a bit of work to do, man. Let's just look at it. In fact, forget the last cycle. Fuck's sake. Let's just look at it from this last push. I mean, I guess it got a push in April, right? So yeah, okay. Maybe it'll get a push higher in the end to the end of the cycle, but yeah, I mean, it really needs to get above that 236. To get above the 236 and then hold here, and then obviously start to make a wee steppy stones up. But yeah, there's just doesn't seem to be any interest in Polkadot this cycle. So zoomed in, what we're on the daily. Yeah, I mean, I guess you'll get an idea if things are going to start to maybe start to make higher highs instead of lower highs, if it can get above this little trend line here. Wee bit of volume coming in, although maybe not. What was the volume like on the weekly? Still downtrend. Keep an eye on the volume, because you saw the volume in their last push in the beginning of the year, so watch for a breakout in volume. That'll tell you some interest is coming back. I mean, you've got this, which we regard as a good setup. Stochastic's going up, volatility is expanding. You've got the beginnings of a move here, so I guess, if it can break out of this shitty little trend line I just drew, get above there. It needs to get above that 236. That's the very first fucking step. You can see it's pretty obvious right here anyway on the structure. You don't even need the fibs, but this was the last support, killed the last support, went down and just stayed alive on the last line in the sand, which is ancient support. So it needs to work its way back up here. And yeah, time's going to tell, bro. Time is going to tell. What I will say to you, if you're in profit right now, or you're close to profit, and you're worried, then if it gets back below that 0.5, then it's not looking good. I would say it's not looking good, bro. I wish I could tell you something better. Again, you've got structural, it's like the same thing again I was talking about, but on a closer level. This previous support broke, so it's gotten back above it. If it fucking gets down there and breaks through, then get the fuck out. It ain't coming back. That would be my thoughts on it. In the meantime, look for the newer projects. Stuff on base seems to be doing well. Some DeFi stuff's coming back. I'm long well, 2x that, long Aerodrome Finance. It's a big market cap project, man. It's $1 billion or something, but this is going to go to $2. I got in $1. I'm waiting for a nice 2x to take profit. $2, so it's a good place to put some money. Safe, solid project, Aero Finance. What else is LDO? Looks good. Another DeFi. I think I showed all these earlier on. Well, there's a new one actually I was keeping an eye on. Talent, also on base. Looks like it's building a wee flag here. So what are we positioning here? Down about 8.00 or 8 cents. So yeah, a few ones worth looking at. New ones. These are the ones to look at, not last cycle ones, bro. Anyway, peace out. Hope you're good.